Hey, hey, what's going on? How's your fucking day going? The fuck is going on with you guys? I'm just logging into everything. My bad. My bad. My fucking bad. Last night was well, yesterday really. It wasn't even last night, it was yesterday. I just wish I didn't I wish I didn't trade. I wanted to make a video and I was going to, because I actually was making the video like a couple of days ago for the channel, just some content. And my daughter was asking me something and needed my help with something. So I paused it. I paused like the recording, and then I helped her with whatever she needed help with. And then I like lost my train of thought, and I was like, fuck it, I'll just start it over. So I was going to start it over yesterday, do another one. And then I thought I saw something in the market, because I'm so fucking smart. And what happened after that was just absolute fucking carnage, and I blew everything. Again, the 5 Lucid funded accounts I had that I just got, the 2 funded My Fund the Futures accounts that I had, or no, I had one left that was up over $1,000 with just under $1,900 drawdown. My trade day evals that were up $1,800. I did not blow I didn't blow the take profit traders actually, so not everything. But then I proceeded to blow another batch of 3, another batch of 3 in terms of trade day, another batch of fucking 5 with Lucid, like a couple of batches of 2 with fucking My Fund the Futures. Like, it was a fucking complete meltdown, and everything that could have happened that was bad was happening because I was melting down. I wasn't melting down overtly and out loud. I was melting down on the inside, and I wanted to fucking die. I wanted to cry. I wanted to die, everything. And that's how my last fucking 2 months of trading has been going. Just when I finally get some funded accounts, I trade at the worst possible fucking time, where the NQ decides to run up and fucking make new all-time highs. Huh! And I kept going against it like a fucking dumb fuck. Although I did say right before the stream, I was like, probably going to bounce around the 707, 786 where we're at right now. And we did. I just didn't know we were going to bounce for 300 fucking points. But whatever. The show goes on. All of the thing about prop firm trading, and I even need to remember this myself, is that everything can turn around when you stack just a handful of pay, or even one payout. I just need to get one payout at this point. One payout could turn into 2, could turn into 3. And next thing you know, you're at 5, 10 grand in the fucking month or in a week. And I got to just remember that. I remember that I'm capable of fucking having big months. But at this point, I just want to stop fucking blowing accounts left and right. It's fucking bad. It's fucking bad. It's not the market. It's just not the market. It's none of that. It's all me. It's all fucking me. So as long as I get myself right, and if I don't, I mean, it's just going to continue. But whatever. Let me show you let me say what's up to everybody. Let me show you my screen. And then I'll say what's up to everybody. This is where I'm at right now. This is what I'm working with. And what's crazy? Like, I know it's not the market, because I see people in the Discord, the best fucking community on these prop from streets, 1,500 plus members strong, working on 1,600. I see motherfuckers having great days every single day. I see people, not just one or two people. I see gobs of people in there getting payouts over and over and over again. And then people that haven't gotten payouts in a month or two, breaking dry spells and shit. So I know it's just a matter of time before the same shit starts happening with me. So I just got to stop. I don't know. I just got to get my shit together. I don't know what else to say. I wish I had better news for you guys, but that's where I'm at. It's so fun. So these are my take profit traders. Like I said, I didn't touch them. I did get $20 yesterday. Thank fucking God for that. Is that really all I had? Oh, man. These trade. Oh, fuck. I didn't log into everything. Fuck me. Hold on a sec, chat. Oh, man. All you could do is fucking laugh. All you could do is fucking laugh. I feel like such a fucking asshat. Oh my God. Yeah. So yeah, here's another set of 3 new fucking trade days. And then let's see. Here are my lucids. You know what I did? You know what I did today? Today, my first trade. You know what I did? Let me get rid of all this shit. I actually held a fucking trade through all of this shit, and it hit my take profit. What a fucking novel idea. What a novel idea. Actually, I started with one, and I added another one when it pulled back a little bit, and I just sat through it and let it hit my take profit. Could you imagine? And look, I got blessed. Look at that. And then here's my fund the futures here. There's the blown one. There it is. I blowed it like a fucking G. And then here's 2 new fucking the Rapido plans. By the way, right now as we speak, my funded futures is doing a pogo with the pro plans. So if you pass you get 30% off. I think that's been the deal. 30% off the pro plan. It's the 50K. It's not any size. It's just the 50K. 30% off the 50K, which will, with my code 0DJ, which will put it at $158 all in. Yeah, it sounds like a lot, but they're kind of, you could run those up and get big payouts with them. But if you pass one, you get a free one. So technically, if you were to pass, it would cost you $75 or $80 per account. But you got to pass. And then there's no activation fee. So just wanted to let you guys know that it's out there for you guys if you want it. Anyway, let's see who the fuck is out here. Well, let's fucking, I got to create, oh my God. Nice drop on gold. Almost 100 ticks. NQ just keeps fucking going. Look at this shit. Look at this fucking shit. We had a nice little rejection off the 707 a couple of times for 100 points and then like 80 points. This was like a 786 bounce right here. It was a 786 bounce. Let me clear all this fucking shit out of the way, right? And then I'll draw it again. Watch this, chat. This low, this high right here is my anchor for the. I'm doing it backwards because it's fucking trading bait. What an idiot! God, motherfucker. All right, the high. You got to go from the high to the low on fucking trading bait. There we go, right here. What about? Look at this. We're up fucking 250 fucking points. Almost 260, 250, 250. So who's out here, guys? I haven't said hello. I'm sorry about that. Let me say hello right now to all my friends. We got Susan, Marco, Kevin Tobias, Black Magic, Ian Connor, Hotshot, Kenny, Marco. Is that Christopher Boucher? I'm pretty sure that is. Without seeing, Hey, I remembered. Hey, Mama said, remember him. Slovenia in the house. Robert Gallus, Golf Guy Mike, Trend Friend, Tommy, Marcine, Greg, Maximus. Anyone hanging out in the Discord, in the DCA gang, in the DGen fam, in the best fucking community saw me in real time having a meltdown. Just fucking beating myself up like an idiot. I'm over it. I'm over it. It'll never happen again. Rick, Foster, Dips and Peaks, NJ, Holy Earth. Check out my broker statement. Foster, Yash. P Shenanigan. I'm finishing this month with like $2,300 of payouts. My lowest since fucking September. P Shenanigan, iTrade. Olivier. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm profitable overall, but man, I've given a lot of it back in the last month. Not so much last month because it was a wash, but this month for sure. You know, it's fucking bad. And it's not even I don't know. I can't blame it on the market. It's me. Because I see a lot of shit that's happening and my execution's been poor. My anxiety is at an all-time high when it comes to trading because of all the external factors in my life, right? And then my confidence is at an all-time low. It's not a good fucking combination. And I'm trying to fucking fight through it. And it's just hard, man. It's just hard. And I'm not afraid to fucking say it out loud. It is what it is. GCTA, AS, King Delay, Johnny, Bowser. Yep, Bowser, bro. I know I'm not the only one. Chase. Oh my God, that's the fucking worst. Dude, bro, forget about it. Chase said he was long on YM at 620 this morning and took 5 points, and now it's up 900 points. So he's like, he's kicking himself and he's hating himself for fucking taking baby gains. We've all fucking been there. Bacon. Benjamin. Felix. Jack Boom. Foster, thank you, man. I do my best to be as real as possible. I have nothing to hide. Like, whatever. I blew a bunch of fucking accounts. And then I blew some more. Oh, Bowser, I know, man. I know you're laughing with me because you know I know exactly what you went through because I'm going through it right now, and I've been through it before. Just never on this. I don't know. Just after going on that stretch, that crazy run, that heater I was on, and it wasn't even that I was just getting lucky. Like I was just trading my fucking ass off, and I was showing my discipline was on fucking point, and everything was just working. And that all and like. I just can't. It's just crazy how far I fell from that. But at least I know that since I did it, like I tell you guys all the time, if you did it once, you could do it again. Josh, what up? Blackout. Lenny. Yeah, dude, at that point, Lenny, let me ask you something, bro. If you don't mind. You said you were on day 6. Were you eligible for a payout after day 5? That's what I want to know. Because you know what I'm going to tell you. Subi guy, what up? David Schneider, Clarence. His real name's Clarence. Carbonite. I haven't seen you in the Discord, bro. Where you been? Taking a breather? Ehab. And I'm talking to you, Carbonite. I haven't seen you, bro. I don't think you left. Did you leave? I don't think you left. I'm looking for you right now. Don't let me find out you fucking left, bro. No, you're still here. But you haven't posted in here since the 24th. What happened? I have an idea. You know what I mean? Ehab, Nayo, Coach HID. And I'm not trying to put you on the spot. You know that. I'm just curious because I got your attention. Foo. Great. What time is Apple earnings, guys? After 4. DS. I appreciate that, DS. Thank you, man. Dan K. What YouTube thumbnail is my favorite out of all the ones I used? I don't know, man. There's so many that are so fucking funny and dope. DBT, Kenny. Just bought an Apex. Oh, by the way, guys, for those of you who can still trade with Apex, unlike myself, who's still in the transition phase from going from 0-day J to 0-day Jane, they brought back gold. And from what I understand, there's no limitations. So you could trade metals in Apex again. That's great fucking news. And thank you, Kenny, for using the best code 0-day J to grab your account. Jay, what up? Terp. Thanks here. What do you need? Yeah, profitable traders. You know what the best is on people that don't trade with prop firms say, if you were trading a personal account, you wouldn't be profitable. If you add up all the losses from your blown accounts and shit. I don't give a fuck about that. I'm talking dollars and fucking cents. I've seen shit like that. It's like, you guys are fucking, that's not this. We're not playing that type of game. Hey, Jan, what up? JK, Investars. Lenny, all right, you just said it. You would have had a 1,500. Why not just take that? Why not just take that, bro? I know the other reason why you still would have had like $1,400 of drawdown to move forward with. But I get it. You think you could get it because you got that far. But just if you're in a little bit of a payout drought, you haven't gotten paid in a while, take the fucking money, whatever it is, because you need that. You need that psychologically. You need to feel that shit, the win. Because it's like a reminder of what you're capable of. It's so much, don't you feel much worse knowing that you had it and all you had to do was just not trade anymore and just take the fucking payout instead of trying to get more? It wasn't even the same day. You could have fucking taken that. The next day you tried to get more just because you wanted to be able to say you got a max payout, and then you ended up with nothing. That is fucking 1,000 times worse than not getting as much as you wanted, but getting something. And that's not just for Lenny, that's for all of us that fucking suffer with that, myself included. Yeah, Carbonite, I get it, bro. I get it, man. I get it. I totally get it, man. I'm glad you didn't completely check out and leave, because for whatever reason, when people, especially people I have some sort of relationship with, just for hanging out, we all hang out in there, I always feel like, damn, was there something I said? Or, most of the time I'm just like, I don't take offense. I'm just like, fuck, man, they didn't have to leave. I know shit is fucking crazy. Like, people leave Discords all the time. I don't know. I just don't like when people I like leave, if that makes any sense. Faisal, what up? Yeah, NQ, you won't get 5 points from it now because it's already up fucking from, look, 163. This shit's almost up up over fucking 400 something points. Casa Lisk, Hot Shot. Investors, yeah, that's fucking that's Coach Singh. Whose stream was he hanging out? He said he goes on there as on like Rips' stream to fucking troll him and shit. It's Coach Singh. Francisco, how am I doing today? I don't know. I'm here. Chat. Thank you for using my code to get a Take Profit Trader account. By the way, there's still 40% off with no activation fee when you use the best fucking code. Leon. Yeah. You're just getting Titan butthole syndrome. Yeah, Lenny, I've been preaching that for a long time, man. You got to take whatever's available. If you are eligible to take a payout, like let's say like you fulfill all the requirements and you are eligible and you can physically log into the account and hit the request button, do it. Just fucking do it, bro. Every time. That shit will add up. You don't always need to get the max. Yeah, bro. Bro, Jan, no joke. Yo, Jay, I didn't hear no bell. I know exactly what. Oh man, hey Tommy, TBT, bro. No, it does, it does. But you got to also realize, even though it's a motivation killer temporarily, and you fucking feel dead inside when it happens, you got to understand how fucking failure and success work. You cannot have success in anything without failure. The failure is getting you closer to success. Even when you're feeling at your fucking all-time low, like I am right now. It's only getting you closer to the next whatever. It's part of your fucking journey. It's part of your process. The universe or God or whatever you believe in, the higher power, is making you go through this shit, the trials and tribulations. It's hardening you and strengthening you for something better. You have to believe that. You have to have faith that that is the fact. And if you don't, that's when people quit. And that's when people give up. And then you'll never know what you'll never know. You'll never be able to realize your full potential, or at least, be striving towards it when you completely give up. And I got to remind myself of that shit sometimes. Jose Carlos, what up? Olisa, Bacon. Yeah, bro. Crank, Savvy. Josh, Pika na Sharika. Thank you, Savvy. I appreciate it. I really do. Yeah, Investors. Well, I mean, bro, like you had a fucking insane month last month. I don't know what you did this month. I know last month was fucking banana land for you. You just got to take the money, bro. Some people are so fucking good, and you might be one of them. Some people are just so good and unstoppable that they can just keep pushing. A lot of us aren't there yet. Kasalisk, yeah. The external factors going on beyond the charts definitely has an impact on how you trade. It's almost impossible to shut it out. Maybe some people can, but I'm not good at it because everything, it's just fucking, there's just a lot going on. Look at this shit. We got Apple earnings too, by the way. I just don't know what time. What time is Apple earnings? The call is at 5. We know that. It doesn't say. It just says they're gonna talk. They're gonna have the conference call at fucking 5:00. What is Jim Cramer saying about Apple? I hope he's saying to sell. He's bullish. Fuck. What a piece of shit. Fuck that guy. I want him to, because the opposite always happens with him. What's crude doing? Crude hit $111 today, by the way. Nothing to see here. Cut. 430? 430. Thank you. So I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do here. Gold might be the only thing we're trading right now. Like even this, we pulled back a little bit, and then we popped 60 something points. Let me look at gold on TradingView. So look at gold on TradingView. This was the high, this was the low, and here we are. We hit the 707 3 fucking times on the hourly and finally fucking rejected it. Now it's trying to work its way back up. That was a nice drop right there. That was right before the market opened. Or it might have happened at the open. I don't know. The 9:15 hour, it started. The 9:15 candle, that's when it started. We dropped how many fucking ticks? Well, let's just say points. Let's see. From 58, 59 down to, we dropped like almost 40 points, 400 ticks in fucking 3 15-minute candles and kind of just been going sideways ever since. You see, guys? You see, guys? K9, what up? It's always at 4:30? Yeah, I have no idea. Tommy, did you really? Tommy, for reals, did you? If you did, give me the fucking timestamp or like the clip, because I might make it its own video for content purposes. I'm just curious if you really did. I mean, I could always grab it. I do that though. Like, I'll fucking look up like Grant Cardone motivation. There used to be so many more. There was this fucking channel that would put together clips of like that type of shit. It was something Brothers, or it was something fucking, I forgot the name of the channel. And it like disappeared from my algorithm and I can never find it again. And it was a fucking killer one with Grant Cardone. It was so good. I fucking love Grant. Yeah, Savvy. It's in the Discord? No, that's okay. I'll find the yeah, that's fine. I appreciate that. I'll make something happen with it. Opus clip for clips from your YouTube channel? See, I know about Opus. You just tell it and what? It takes it fucking downloads it? Do you, Johnny? That's awesome. Obviously in his real estate, right? Machiavelli? Like Tupac? Or the first Machiavelli? Dan Cato was an Israeli brain surgeon. I was a guest on Top Step, and he said trading is much harder than brain surgery. Oh, crank. That's awesome, bro. And you just get checks in the mail every month, right? Have you gotten I'm just curious, has he ever fucking cashed out the equity on any of the properties that you're involved with, and you got like a check, like one of those tax-free fucking equity checks? Brandy, how many minis do I use for evals? It depends. Trading makes you bald and gives you anxiety. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, distributions every month. Fucking amazing, bro. Fucking amazing. I wanted to get involved in that really bad, but I'm not quite there yet. I want to do it. I want to do my own thing with that shit, but that's like down the road. I probably could have started, but instead I bought a fucking house. I could have started 3 or 4 months ago, but instead I bought a fucking house, and all I've been doing is dumping all my money into it. The thing that he always says not to do, but I can't just think about myself in my fucking life, unfortunately. How many contracts for an evaluation account? Brandy, it really all depends. You could go full port. I don't know what your goal is. You want to get it over with as quickly as possible? You know what I mean? I'll take smaller size. I'm always trading minis for the most part. Definitely minis and evals. Yeah, crank. Yeah. And what does good safe calls get you in life? Not much. I should be saying, hold my hand, baby. Let's get this fucking cake. Yeah, like Jan, exactly. You got to just grow. You got to do what you got to fucking. You got to do what's best for you. Trade them like you would trade a funded account. How I trade versus, I don't recommend trading like I do. You see what I do. You see what I go through. Am I a decent trader? Yeah, I'm a pretty good trader, but I fuck up a lot. And I fucking give up on my accounts a lot. And I say, fuck it, especially lately. So don't trade like I trade. My head's all fucked up right now. So I'm the last person to ask. Just grow the account, and blow the account and not blow the account, grow the account, not blow it. Grow that shit. And don't force anything. Try not to force anything. It really all depends on your budget too. That matters. Like Jan said, if you don't have enough, it's none of my bit. Like, you know what I mean? Like if you only have a very small amount of money allocated for prop firm trading, you don't want to do what I do. So just keep that in mind. There is no bright size to trade. You got to do what you feel comfortable doing and then grow the account, whatever that size may be. If you want to get it over quicker, you got to either take more trades or trade more size. Right now, this shit ain't fucking doing anything. Oh, well, never mind. We're high a day, right here. We're going to make a new high. We're going to make a new high, which is also a new all-time high. If you look here, look. We're right there. Fucking crazy. Fucking crazy, chat. Oh, Tommy, thank you, bro. Tony Gold, Kevin Tobias. Do I think NQ pumps end of day? We're pumping right now. It's been pumping. It's been pumping. So look at this. That was a 786 bounce or a 707 bounce right at the open. We closed right at the 707 and then we opened and we fucking pumped when the market reopened. Let me expand this. Made a new all-time high, came back down and touched the 707 from this low as the anchor to the all-time high as an anchor, the high anchor. And then we fucking bounced. And then right about here was about the 786 and we rejected. And then here we are retesting that 707, almost came down to the 786 and then we popped again. And we might make an all-time high again. And we have Apple earnings. So I can see Apple, we might pump and make a new high and then Apple earnings is bad and then we fucking drop 100 points or something like that. But I don't know. We might pump into the close because of Apple. Donna, what's up? Do I think they're propping this up to rug pull with earnings? I don't even know anymore, man. They might. That's what I was just saying. I just said that. Alfred, what up? All right, be good, Tommy. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like, they were fucking moving opposite. They were inverse of each other for a while because it was all based on this fucking war shit with Iran. So if something happened that was favorable, that would extend the war or make it worse, oil pumped. And then if we were talking about peace talk, and the NQ would drop. And if we were talking about peace talks and the shit going, going to be over soon, and the ceasefire and the fucking straight and all that bullshit, anytime it was going to make it like it's going to end soon, oil would drop again because there's less uncertainty. And then the NQ would pop again. But now we got all this tech earnings, and apparently it was good for the most part, right? With yesterday was Amazon, Meta, fucking Google, and Microsoft, and Qualcomm. Don't forget, Qualcomm is a fucking market mover by itself. But they were all together after earnings. I mean, after 4 o'clock, all at the same time, basically, one after the other. And then we have fucking Apple. So like, it almost doesn't matter right now until this earnings shit is over. Once all this shit is over, I bet we go back to oil going up if the war keeps going or shit escalates. Or, JD Vance says, fuck Iran, whatever. You know how it was. Like, every little bullshit headline had that shit going up and down. End of the month pump. Yeah, oil is, not only is oil above 100, it was down. It went down. Didn't it go down into the low 80s or some shit? Or hold on, let me go to crude. Let me go to the daily. Just recently. Yeah, look, it went down under 70. It went down under 80. It went down to 79 and then fucking bounced fucking 25, 30 something percent. I don't know if this is an all-time high. I don't know if that is, but it's the last high we've had for a while. Because I don't really care about what happened fucking 7 years ago right now. But look, we went up to 115 just about, and then we retested it right here at just under 114, or right at 114, and then here we are again. We went up to 111. But just the other day, on the 17th of April, 2 Fridays ago, 2 weeks ago, we were down to fucking 79 and change because of the ceasefire talks and all that shit. And that fucking, they were gonna fly to Islamabad and talk, and fucking meet up and talk. And then that shit fucking fizzled out, and then it fucking popped again. Yeah, Apple is a big mover. So, I don't know. You know what I'm saying, chat? I don't fucking know. There it is. New high. Was it? Oh, no, it's this. Look, it fucking equal highs right here. No way. Did it make a new high? Look at that shit. And then it dropped like 30 fucking points. My cousin, the Mets are so bad. We're both Mets fans, long suffering. He's so fucking disgusted with this team. Aid, what up? Just ain't right. Mwah. I want to trade, but like, oh man. Watch this. I fucking wish I saw that, although I don't know if I would have done it in here. Look. 707. Just about. How many ticks is that? 70 ticks, 75 ticks. Let's see what I want to do right here. Actually, I don't want to do it in here. I want to draw it and take profit trader. Wow. There we go. 40-something points. So it retested the all-time high and rejected off of it hard. You see, guys? Yeah, what happened? Meltdown? Yeah, I had a meltdown last night. Not an outward one where I was losing my shit. It was a somewhat quiet one. 360, what up? Trading Academy. How do I mark out my tan lines? If I were to draw tan lines on this, I mean, it's all arbitrary, but you got to be true to yourself. You got to be true to what you're seeing. You can't just do it to suit your bias. All of this stuff, Fibonacci's, all that shit. So I pick, if you want to know how I do on Tradeovate, but whatever, I'm gonna pick this spot right here. Right there. And look what just happened. So basically I connect this low right here, this low, and then you see, guys, look where we just bounced. I don't know if we're gonna break it, but look, we pulled back, and then look, and then here's some other things. Here's another thing. Look, we bounced right off of that shit. Who's that? Jordan? What? What'd you say? Oh, I love you. My daughter said, I'm not going to say what she said. All right, look, 618 bounce. The 618 just happened to be where this fucking tan line is. Now, can we break this tan line? Yeah. The only thing I'm worried about today, oh shit, we're at fucking MOC already? Man, I don't even know what fucking time it is. That's why this happened. Here's your 50-minute candle. Now it's coming right back up. But look, we bounced off this fucking tan line, which also, if you look at there was a couple things going on here. I don't personally like the 618. But look, we bounced off the 618. We wicked a little bit below the tan line. I'm sure if I adjust that tan line, it'd be even closer. And then you also have the 5-minute 21 here. So you had a lot of confluence in this spot, and it just so happened that it bounced. Doesn't mean it will always. But you see, guys, hold on. Look at that. See, I adjusted it, and I'm not cheating. I adjusted it. I didn't really have it in the perfect spot on the right angle. Now look. And this doesn't always happen this way. Here's your 55-minute candle. Look, right on that shit. You had the fucking 5-minute 21, the fucking tan line, and the 618 on this last fib here. This low and this high. And then we popped. Now, are we going to keep going up? I have no fucking idea. You see, guys? I got special oil. It's fucking Cambodian breast oil. All right, what's happening? I need more fucking coffee. That's what's happening. What's gold doing? Here we are back at the tan line. Let's go for a little walk. Also, the other thing too, because we have earnings, at some point I expect there to be some fucking couple of big fucking candles, even before earnings, especially at this time of day, you know, going into the close. All right, let's get this fucking coffee. This is actually I'm already on my third fucking cup. Another tan line bounce. What are the fucking chances? What are the chances? I mean, can we break it? Yeah. Especially knowing we got earnings coming up and we're going into the close. But what are the chances that it just keeps bouncing off of it like that? It's just crazy. It's just crazy, guys. You see, guys? Keep in mind, that's like 30 fucking points, 25, 30 points. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that shit go. It came to the fucking tan line, bounced off of it, retested it, and now it's going even higher. Shit. Just look at that. Just missed the all-time high again. Hold on a second. I gotta use the men's room. I'll be back. Enjoy the view of the backyard. Sorry, chat. Oh, are we gonna break this tan line? I mean, am I gonna trade? I would like to, in case you're wondering. But that time of day and the area that we're in is so unpredictable. We're at all-time highs. We just retested the all-time high after hitting it basically after the market opened. We're breaking the tan line now, but oh shit. Look, it went down to the 786 and bounced. What? Look at that, right on the 786. Does it mean it can't go lower? No, it doesn't mean shit. What up, Ree? Good job. South Tribe, what up? Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte, you guys. Look at that drop, though. We went from 620 to 5. We went down 64 points in like 3 minutes. 3 candles. Faisal. I've been there, bro. Money Mitch. What a nice bounce. It should bounce fucking like 40 fucking points. What's NQ doing? I mean, Gold doing? Gold's kind of like doing dick right now. Uh, 4:30, I think. Drew drops. What up? We've basically been in this fucking cuck zone. 408, 177. Basically a 20-point cuck zone since 7 o'clock in the morning, or since 10 o'clock, since after the year open. This is in specific time. Fuck it. Oh, I don't even have the orders in. Fuck me. I don't know if it's a good idea. Honestly, it looks like we're flagging. Are we just gonna cuck around like this until fucking Apple earnings? Michael Gianos. You see, guys, he's flying. You coming out to Vegas? Preneur X. Yeah. Preneur X. Yep. Scalp for the win. Scalp. Yeah. He's. Yep. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. He has a bowling channel. Yes. Rivian was a miss. Coach Eddie, what up? Are you coming out here, Ree, for real? All right. Don't be a stranger. What is my overall view on fibs, Olisa? I love them. I absolutely love them. I just wish I had more patience for them. I was in Vegas in 2012. Yeah, what are you coming at? Oh, Bacon, you were here for bowling in 2012? Yo, Scalp, it's his user. Can you see his user ID? It's his user ID. His that's in the thing, in the chat. That's his channel. I think this nice and it's finally starting to hit. Carlos, what up? Coach Fred. AS. That's all right, bro. See, look, we broke the tan line again, but I don't know if I can't trust this wholeheartedly because we got Apple earnings looming. And if I'm gonna draw a fucking you got this right here, chat. Here's your poll. There's my poll. Let's give it some more girth. And then top of the flag, bottom of the flag. It's kind of in an ascending wedge. But no, I mean, look at that shit. And what are we doing? Well, obviously I just drew this part, but even here, the line still applies. The trend still applies there. And this is the tan. This is just the overall tan line on the larger time frame. We got this fucking bull flag right here. P. Yeah. I'm just compensating. Big tick. All types of shit, bro. Niacin's good for you. I wasn't taking it for a while. I'm back on it. It's good for depression too, by the way, but in very high doses. It's good for cholesterol management, energy production, skin and nervous system health, circulation improvement, blood circulation, blood flow, deficiency, potential hair growth. I didn't know that. Yeah, hell yeah. I'm going to fucking OD on this shit. Anyway. Holy Earth. You take the flush version? Yeah, me too. Or did you mean the flush-free version? I don't really see a benefit. Like, the benefit is in the flushing. It's not a drug. It's a supplement. D-Gen, it's a supplement. Marcine, take my new live Apex account. I'm still waiting. And I think you knew that. Yeah, you like the flushing. Yeah, I'm starting to right now. I feel it in my neck. My neck is like burning right now. Exactly. Niacin. D-Gen, niacin. Niacin. You can get that shit on Amazon. You can get it anywhere. You could go to fucking like your local supermarket and it'll be in the farm, like the fucking supplement section in the pharmacy area. Yeah. But it doesn't show on there as B3. It'll usually say niacin. And you don't want the flush free. I guess the flush free does have some benefits, but the real benefits are in the fucking the one that has the flushing. No limit. What time do you lose trade day funded accounts? What do you mean? Like if you keep trading, if you don't close it, if you don't close a trade day trade and all your orders by, I don't know about the orders, but if you don't close a trade, because what happens if it gets filled? But if you don't close a trade by 4:50, 10 minutes before the close, then you lose those accounts. It's a breach, even on evals and funded accounts. Doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm like fucking itchy now. Yeah, I would do it before then though. Have I seen any benefits from it? I'm on so much shit right now. It's hard to tell what from what. I take so many fucking supplements. Just my style. They only cut one of my nuts out. I still have one nut left. It take it forever. They haven't split my sausage and made it into something else. You know, like they did Bruce Jenner. I'm still waiting. I'm just on the operation table. I'm in the waiting room right now. How late can you trade Lucid? 440 Neo. 445. 445 or 446. But if you get like the only thing that'll happen with like Lucid, My Fund the Futures, which is done already for the day, you'll just get liquidated. But just so you know, for any of you who could still trade with Apex right now, they did bring back gold. They brought back gold. Look at this shit. It's literally not fucking going anywhere until earnings. What's gold doing? Nothing. Crude kind of bounced. Oh, look at crude. Came to the VWAP. The fucking VWAP. And it's right at the 786. It came to the VWAP and then rejected. It also happened to be the 786. Just my style. Ground beef. Nah, they're gonna make that shit. They're gonna repurpose it. They're gonna repurpose that shit. Sam. It could be a long. I mean, we're flagging right now. I mean, it's just ripe for a fucking breakout and a new all-time high, but it really all depends. You know what I'm saying, Sam? Your guess is as good as mine. We did break the trend line, though. We broke the tan line right now. We're kind of grinding up it. I just don't know how much I could rely on this, knowing that Apple's going to fucking pop or drop. It could pop. It could drop, then pop. It could pop, then drop. Or it could just pop and keep going. Like, nobody fucking knows what's going to happen. Yash, 15 minutes. Brandon, let's go, Brandon. What's the Apex update? You could trade with gold. In terms of me and my live account, I'm still transitioning to 0-day Jane. Foster, exactly. Willie trades futures. How's live going? Nothing's changed. They're working on it. They're working on it. It's fine. It's cool. It sucks, but at the same time, whatever. What am I going to do? Cry about it? Are these funded accounts? No. I am back down to 0 funded accounts. Like a fucking loser. I had 7 yesterday for a very fleeting fucking moment. 0-day. Yo, Coach Fred. That's my mom's name. What are the chances that you said my mother's name? Willie, I hear you, man. It is all good. It is all good. The Mac Minis are sold out. Yeah, Fred, what are the chances, bro? Same exact spelling, too. This shit is grinding up Tory's tan line like fucking Rick James grinded his dirty feet in fucking Eddie Murphy's couch. Oh, Coach Fred, it's Jane. Jayne. It's easy because it almost sounds the same. You gotta wait for the M5 Mini. Is the Mini the fucking desktop? I forgot. 360. I'm pretty sure it is. This was like our big opportunity so far. Yeah, and then you need like a fucking screen. Tory got hired by Alpha Futures to do what? To stream and trade on their channel? Do they have a channel? No fucking way. Hold up. You piqued my curiosity. I don't even know. I didn't see that shit. I don't know. I'm looking in like their email. Stevie J, what up? It looks like an Apple. Yeah, I've seen that shit. There's no way she gonna live stream paper trade. Money Mitch. Yeah, just my style. Now I remember it. I've seen it before. It's like this fucking big. We're still just grinding up this fucking tan line. But this right here was the 786 bounce. We came and then we retested around the 707. Watch this. Watch this. Let me draw a fib. I got to fucking pee again. What the fuck? All right, let's see. 786 came back down, tested the 707, and then it fucking bounced. Almost 30 points. We're just riding up this tan line, but we haven't been able to get back over it, which is interesting. I'm just worried, obviously. Yeah, I actually had the Apple TV. I still have the Apple TV box. You don't need any of that shit anymore. But I did have an Apple TV box at one point. I think I had one or two. Stevie J, my fund the futures ends trading for the day at 10 after 4. Just like Top Step. That's why you can't place a trade. You're done for the day in my fund the futures, bro. Stoic. If Tory is streaming with them, that's a buzzkill for you? Bro. Imagine they like if that's really happening and they fucking make like a the thumbnails will be trading tan lines with Tory trades. Oh my God. Yeah. Neil, what up, man? Always great to see you on here. You're not MIA in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. By the way, if anybody is not hanging out in the Discord yet, with the DGen fam, the DCA gang, in the DGen treehouse, here's the fucking link. It's free for now. You're more than welcome to join. It is the best fucking community. Carlos, you heard something about that too? Nah, Apple earnings is coming out in like 8 minutes. By the way, if anyone fucks with those My Fund the Futures Pro accounts, right now they're doing a buy one not a buy one, a pass one, get one free. So you could pass one and get one free, and they're 30% off with my code. I got copyrights to my tan line method. Don't worry. Simplistic, what's good? Actually, I asked ChatGPT to. There it is. Pass your eval, get another one for free. 2 accounts, half the cost, blah, blah, blah. All users, unlimited uses. 100K payout request. That's the one that you could only request a payout like once every 2 weeks, but you only have to trade once a week. You could have a $5,000 day, and then the following week in that fucking 14-day time frame, you could just place a trade just to enter and exit a trade, and then you could request. It's fucking crazy. They do have like a buffer and all that shit, but this is good until the end of Friday, I guess. It does not apply to the 1-day add-on, okay? You see that little fine print? Doesn't apply to the 1-day add-on. All right, chat? Thanks, chat. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Look, see that 707, that retest. We're up almost 50 points. But we're just grinding up Tori's tan line like, you know, like you won a prize. Check the Discord. What does this have to do with them going live with her though? Damn, Connor's going in. Oh man, we have a lot of fun in there. What up, Coach Singh? Oh my God, Sam. I mean, dude, that's a fucking nice move up. We're just grinding up this tan line. 5 more minutes. What's my? It's. You want to buy 100 accounts? Well, I have news for you, Neil. They shut it down. They're already done. Fast Track 2.0, aka the prop pit, is fucking out of business. Yeah, Sam, then don't just sit it out. Watch it. Enjoy the show. Get some popcorn and enjoy the show. I have a feeling we're gonna push the fucking. I'm gonna go pee real quick. Again, just hang out. We're just grinding up this fucking shit. I'll be right back. Cut. I'll be right back, guys. Still hanging at this fucking tan line. Yeah, but he wasn't eight. He was just a chief technology officer, guys. Savage saying I didn't have any legacy accounts anymore in April. They deleted the post. Why did they delete the post? What did it turn into a shitstorm? All right, here's what we're going to do. You know why? Because fuck it. I'm going to put it down here. $40. Let's see what happens. I think it's going to go up. I don't know. Don't let this fucking tan line fool you right now because of earnings. Even if I get filled here, I wonder what the fill's going to be. I'm probably going to get filled here and it's going to fucking pump. I'm scared. This is probably stupid. This is stupid. This is fucking stupid. Oh, see? I told you it was stupid. Unless it keeps dropping. No, it's going to go up. Oh. Oh. Keep going. Please. No, is that it? Yup, that's it. Look at that. It's a 786 bounce from here. $786 bounce. High. Low. Am I going to get fucked here? Yep, I'm fucking myself. Well, that was fun. That was fun. I'm fucking myself in both directions. Now it's going to dump. Watch it. Dude, watch it drop. Watch it drop all the way. Look at that 786 pounds. Beautiful. Watch it drop all the way to my take profit. Get me out of this shit. Let me at least be able to salvage these fucking things. Yeah, take me out. Whatever. This is why you don't want to fuck with earnings. I don't give a fuck anymore about anything. So I'll fuck with it in 5 take profit trader accounts. It could have come down. Too bad it didn't come down another 25 more points. This is kind of a nothing burger. It will, though. Now it's going to come all the way down. Now it's going to come all the way down. What a fucking shit earnings. We're still in this fucking flag. That was it, guys. There you have it. And it cost me fucking $1,245. Why do I have... That doesn't make any sense. Why do I have only $600 a drawdown? That's weird, but whatever. Pips Hunter. So I just got fucked in both directions. Look at this. I literally got top ticked. Look at this. You can't make this shit up. This has been my life. Here's the top ticking on the short. Here's the bottom tick. Here's the top ticking and the bottom ticking on the long. Oh, I was long. I was long. Look at that. I got top ticked and then I got bottom ticked. This is what this is how it's been for me. Obviously, I was fucking around during earnings. That was a nice, like that shit. I wish it would have went down lower, but it bounced off the 786. Maybe I should have had my take profit there, but who the fuck knows? Who the fuck knows? But that was fucking weak. That was fucking weak. What's Apple doing here? Apple's not even up. It's up. Apple's up. Is up half of a percentage. Half of a percent. If your account is to renew today, which is day 5 trading account, you've hit profit target rate, do you still have to pay the renewal fee with trade day? I don't know. You should hit them up. It's supposed to renew today. It probably renewed already. If it's supposed to renew today versus tomorrow, it's green now, of course. No, it's just we're still like this was nothing. This was nothing. Jonathan, it wasn't even, I mean, that was nothing. I've seen Apple go up and down 100 points. Preneur X. Yeah, Sam, better place than I am with these accounts. That was a fucking nothing burger. 576. 40 points. 40 points. The range since Apple earnings. JK, what a move. I ain't full porting it. I can still fucking save these. How many points did I have though? I got in at 89 and went down the fucking I had 13 points, that's all I had. But look at this, fucking bottom tick, top tick, bottom tick. And then we're basically back where we were. That was whack. That was fucking weak. Yesterday was crazy, but you had 5 different companies that do move the market, all posting earnings fucking one after the other or at the same time. We did break the tan line. Tyler. I didn't even trade these yet. What's Crew doing? That sucked. What am I going to do with this account? With these? That was the weakest fucking shit ever. I still think we drop. There we go. We're going to fill this fucking wick. Probably. Or we're going to bounce off this 5-minute 21. What the hell just happened? Bowser, nothing. Absolutely fucking nothing. And now it's going to, watch it keep going down. Where was my take profit? On that initial trade, 51.75. Look at this shit go. Oh my God. Here's my short. I'd be green right now. I got fucking top ticked. I'd be green. Fucking joke. Anthony Marquez, what up? Jonathan Trentwell, yeah. Ma Barley, I know. If this shit goes down to 51, I'm gonna be so fucking pissed. I probably will, because I'm not in anymore. Whatever. Amazing. Fucking amazing. I wonder if it fills this wick at 58. How far am I from the Excalibur? 20 minutes. Wow, my fucking camera's doing this shit again? What the fuck, man? Are you gonna be around? Are you gonna be around all weekend? Just hit me up in the Discord. Bounce off the same spot. We'll get some lunch or something. Oh, you're here. Oh, you're here to the 9th? All right. We got time to figure something out. I don't know what I'm doing. You know, it's funny. I've never been inside the Excalibur before. That's the one that has all like the castle shit, right? Looks like a fucking castle. What a fucking weak ass fucking earnings. Yeah, I've never been in there before. Oh man, sorry. Oh man. This is so fucking whack. Oh my god, this shit is dead. I'm just gonna worst case on these trade days, I'll just get a flip day in. The shit is in slow motion. Let's see what Apple's doing. Oh, Apple's down 1% now. Apple's down 1%. We're just not. Nothing's really happening. All that just to fucking lose $1,245. Getting bottom and top ticked. Tyler, not good. Everything sucks. I'm rebuilding again. We love it. I love rebuilding. You've been up since 2 o'clock, Bowser? Leo, what up? Casalisk, what time does Lucid close you trades? They would have right now, at this time, right this second, or during this minute. That was fucking whack. This shit is not fucking moving. That just dropped fucking 30 ticks, though, off the 707. John White. No, I've never been to the Monte Carlo. Never been there. You know, it's funny. I've been here. I mean, I've been to Vegas a bunch of times before I moved here, but I've been here for fucking over 6 years now, and I haven't been to a lot of places. The Monte Carlo included. John O, what up? Will I be back on Asia? Probably. Depends. Trader J, what's good? All right, Preneur X. Yesterday was amazing. I wasn't expecting it to be as good, obviously, but I was expecting more than what we just got. I can tell you that much. It's fucking barcoding. That was nice. 707. All right. I'm just going to fucking get in a quick here. Oh, fuck. I can't even fucking get a flip in correctly. Jesus fucking Christ. I don't have groups. Fuck. I fucking can't do anything right lately. It's so crazy. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Yes. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. What? Oh, I gotta turn the fucking group on. Fuck. 58 seconds. I guess I'll have to separate this one after. That was awesome. Fuck yeah. We dropped how many ticks on that? 15 to 57. 60 ticks. Great fucking job. God, this is what I'm talking about. It doesn't matter what I do. I just seem to fuck things up. Like, I'm just fucking everything up. Whatever. Down 92 is nothing. Down 830, not too bad. But I can't keep these together. I got to put them separate. And the other thing is, well, I guess I could keep them together. Now, like, let's say I get these, they're fucking, just so fucking, it just never ends. Bobby Digital, what up? Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. That's what's happening with me right now. Nayo, thank you. I needed that. Literally anything that can go wrong is going wrong. Crude, I don't know. Crude fucking. I don't know. Air defense is engaging small drones and surveillance over Tehran. Oh, Trump interview on Newsmax ends? I don't even fucking know. Now, it's probably going to bounce now. Now it's going to bounce because I'm not in anymore. I had to get out or I was going to lose the accounts. But I'll lose them. Don't worry. I'll finish these off. I'll finish these off in the next session. Fucking crazy. What's up, Barbarian? At least these losers are halfway up, and at least these My Funded Futures are halfway up. I could fucking push these over all 7 of these and fucking have 7 funded accounts and start trading them in the next session. I mean, that's the plan. And then whatever, I mean, these are fucked. I can't have a funded take profit trader account until like mid-May anyway because I'm a fucking idiot. So I might as well just take my time building these back up. So that's what I'm going to do. Fuck it. Fuck it. It's just fucking crazy, man. I'm just fucking tired of sucking so bad. Tired of it, bro. We'll do it live. Fuck it, Giorgio. Yeah, I don't know, man. I can't. It is what it is. Too bad I don't have like the market replay, and then I could place trades based on the market replay, and I just never lose. We do it for the stream. Yeah, it was great. This was so much fun. Fucking up more accounts, and look, it did bounce. It is bouncing. I literally bottom ticked myself because I had to get out of the trade, and now look what's happening. So fucking stupid. Why? It did drop nice. 615 to fucking 51. 64 ticks. Why didn't I just keep going short? Why would I? Why would I do what I should have done? And it bounced right off the fucking 707. Look at that. Anyway, I got to bounce. I got to take care of something like in like 5 to 10 minutes. So I got to get off early. I'm sorry, guys. I'll be on tomorrow for sure for Power Hour. Today, very possible. I'll do my best. I'm not 100% sure, though. All right? So I will see you guys either later or tomorrow. If I don't see you, I'll see you next time, all right? Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Hit the notification bell, all that good shit. Use my code. Apex says gold again. Use my code at Apex. Take Profit Traders. My Fund the Futures, Lucid, Trade Day, and Bullinox. 0 Day J. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks again. Peace.